Welcome back to Module 5. In Module 5, we are going to go over the eyedropper tool, also some of these rectangle, triangle, other tools. So first thing, your eyedropper tool is this tool right here. If you click on it, the keyboard shortcut is I. There's several different ones. We're going to select the original eyedropper tool. Your colors are over here. You can see right now we have black and white by default. And the eyedropper tool, what it does is it actually you can sample colors from your design. And you can see as I do that, for example, I sample this beautiful blue, it changed here. If you ever need to go to the default, you can just click this icon here and it goes back to black and white. So you can come here, select any color you want. And next, let's talk a little bit about these tools. So we have our rectangle tool here, click and hold, and there's a bunch of others. We can select the rectangle tool, click and hold. There it is. If we want to change the color, double click on it and we can use our eyedropper tool and select any colors from our images here. Let's try some other tools. There's a custom shape tool, and over here it lets you select all kinds of custom shapes. For example, if I want to select some leaves, here we go. I'm going to come in here and draw this leaf. Double click on here and I'm going to make it this beautiful brown color. So there you go. It is an apple tree that I just created. So we can zoom in. If you ever want to come in here and change the shape a little, you can select your direct select tool, click and hold on your path tool, select the direct select, come over here. Let's click a rectangle and you can actually move the shapes. There we go. So to create a screenshot, Shift Command 4, click and drag, and that screenshot will be saved to your desktop, which you can upload to the Cadence assignment. And as you notice now, all of the tools that we are going over in this file are done. So Command S to save.